afternoon, Year 6. So, this session today, we're going to be looking at computing, and we'll be looking at creating our own website and building that up today. Now, this is video number 1. So, this video is only for those people who were not in school last Friday. If you were here last Friday, you don't need to do anything in this video because you've already done it. So, for those people that were not here, okay, I'm going to show you the Smart Notebook presentation that I gave to the rest of Year 6 last week. Okay, and it looks like this. Today you'll be designing your own website. You need to consider what you would like your website to be about, and again, discuss this with a partner. Now, of course, you can't discuss it with a partner. So what I would like to think about is what your website will be about, and again, it can't be too vague. For example, if you were doing football, well, football's a very big subject. You might want to focus on something a bit more specific, maybe famous teams or, popular or world-class goals. If you're doing cooking, again, cooking is a very huge subject area. So you're going to have to narrow it down to be that little bit more focused and specific. Again, will it be a recipe website? Will you post videos of you showing people how to cook certain meals? The choice is completely and utterly yours. Now, remember, you can pause this video at any time you wish to follow the steps through, okay? So step number 1 is you're going to need to create your own website. Now, you'll need to log into Gmail and you'll need to go to sites like last time. Now, I'm already logged in to my Gmail account here, okay? So you will need to click on, there'll be a login button here and you press login and that will take you onto there. Remember, your email address will be your first name followed by the initial of your second name, okay? So that will then be at bism9.com. If you cannot remember your password, send me a message today and I will get it for you. But again, please message me before 5 o'clock, otherwise I will not be in school to be able to give you your password, okay? Now then, when you're in your website and you're logged in, you'll click here and you will need to press Sites, okay? Like we did last time. This is the old site, so you don't want to worry with this one. You want to go to New Google Sites here. Go to New Google Sites and press the plus button down in the bottom corner. That will give you your brand new website, okay? You'll need to give it a name, so I'll call this Mr. Drummond's testing. Let's go with demo. Mr. D's demo website. Okay, I click there and I've named it something nice and short and it's ready to go. This time you can change the themes if you want because it's your website. Okay, so you can change different ones here should you so wish. But remember, whatever one you choose will have to be kept on every single page. Okay, you can't change this page by page. Remember that discussion we had about evaluating different websites. When you've done that, okay, you can start to edit your home page. Your homepage is the first page that your visitors to this website will see. So remember, header type, maybe you want it to be a cover instead, okay, a splash page, and you can add more into there for yourself. Now then, again, log into Google, go to Google Sites, go to New Google Sites, and create one down in this button in the bottom corner. Again, give your website a title, sensible and short, and now you can start to edit your homepage. Remember, this is the first page anyone sees when they visit your website, so it should introduce your page. You can change your theme, your header, it could be a banner if you wanted it to be. The choice is indeed yours. Now remember, to add photographs, you could go down to here and go to change image, and you could either upload one from your own computer. You could select one by going to the search engine here and typing in what you want to search, okay? There we go. Or the other one is go by URL. So you could find your own image, okay, from Google itself. Go to images. And I maybe want this one here, okay, nice aerial photo of Manchester. If I right click on it and I copy image address, that will give me the URL address, which I can now post into here, which will allow me to upload one straight from Google. And there it is, okay, uploaded. I can give my page a title, and I am then well on my way to making a website. Again, make your first page. To do that, you go to Pages, okay, and Insert. What's this? About Manchester. And done. Again, I've now got it and it's ready. Okay, again, I can change here so it all fits on and it looks neat and tidy. I don't really want a cover page for this one, so I'm going to actually change the header type to be maybe a large banner or just a banner itself. I could go title only. The choice is yours. And then I can start to design it. Do I want pictures and information? Do I just want a text box? Okay, the choice is completely up to you. It's your website. And remember, when we evaluate those websites, what makes a good website and what makes a really bad, hard to understand website. Now then, we will be evaluating our websites on the following areas here. Does it have clear information? Okay, it's not just copy and paste, because one, that's plagiarism, and two, again, you need to be able to understand the information yourself. And things that we're starting to be looking at would be like the use of links, a score out of 3. Is it clear? Is it a suitable layout? What about the spelling and grammar? Marks out of 10. Okay, so pay attention. Is it interesting and useful? And bonus marks just for any maybe anything good that you have done, anything interesting, or maybe just something that you've learned and it just makes your website that little bit better. You may pick up some bonus marks as well. So this is our success criteria, and this is what we'll be evaluating our websites on the 16th of April. Now then, your task is to now go and to finish creating your website and making that first page, okay? That's your first task. It should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to do that. And then you will then need to watch video number 2 for computing so that we can then continue and build on for what we'll be doing this week. Of course, you can do this over the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, okay? Nothing's stopping you doing this at any time. It's a little mini project that will be building up and building up. Your website must be finished by the 16th of April, okay, Year 6? So thank you very much. If you have any questions, you need a password, send me a message on Skype and I'll get straight back to you. Thank you very much, Year 6. Have a wonderful afternoon.